All right, guys, welcome back. Hope you all are well and doing good at home. Definitely miss being in school with you guys, but this is a pretty cool experiment to see if we can, work from home and actually get our stuff done. So definitely make sure you guys get your work done. We are still in school right now, and you guys need to finish this stuff, okay? But I know you can do it, and if you need help, obviously you can get a hold of me. First thing, basically, what we're going to do is we're going to be making some screen recording videos of your games and turning those in instead of you uploading the entire project to Google Drive. The projects are really big in file size and they take a long time to upload to Google Drive. And so just making a screen recording video of your game and your screen on your laptop, that's going to be a lot easier way to share with me, that you guys have gotten your work done. So pretty much, first thing before I forget, when you guys go to turn this assignment in, you're going to be doing it through Empower, and to do that, you're going to be in Empower, and you should see under My Class, if you open this guy up right here, you should see a Unit 2 and a Unit 1. So here's Unit 1, but if you guys actually just go to your My Calendar on here, I actually put the dates of when these assignments, these units are due. And remember that each unit is a whole separate Unity project. So you create a new project each time you go to units 1 through 5. And remember, all you need to do is, unit 1 through 1.4, 2 through 2.4, and so on. But if you look on here on your Empower calendar, you can see I've got Unit 1 and Unit 2. Those are due tomorrow on Friday. So pretty much if you want to turn one of those in, the video that you end up making of your screen, you pretty much just click on it, click on View, and you should be able to go under, it'll look like this. You should be able to go to My Locker, and yours looks different than mine, but you should see right around here a spot for you to submit the link to your Google Drive uploaded video. So what I'm going to show you guys how to do right now is, again, how to make a video of your screen with the tool called Screencastify, and then how to find that video that you made in your Google Drive and then share that link with me through Empower, matching the unit here with the unit that you're working on and you took a video of, okay? So pretty much you guys just need to go to Screencastify on Google Chrome. You have to be on Google Chrome to do this. So Google Chrome, screencastify.com, click Add to Chrome, Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and pretty much, yeah, you should be able to just then go up here and it should add it to my Chrome. So now you can see there's a link up here to Screencastify. I click that, and then right here I click, yeah, sign in with Google, and yeah, have this turned on where it says automatically save your videos to Google Drive. And make sure you guys log in with your school Gmail account. Once we do that, we're basically going to set it up to record as desktop. So leave all this how it is, hit next, allow, I'm a student, and that's pretty much all you have to do. Now, from this point on, when you guys record your game, I just want you to record the things that you actually had to do, like what were the last 3 things that you had to do on this game. For Unit 2, you actually have to make it where a game over sign pops up at the end, in addition to making these animals spawn randomly. So you need to show me each of those little things in your game and actually hit the play button in your game to show me that it works to get credit for the assignment. So I'll put a list of all the things that you need to show me in your screen recording on our Google Classroom and Empower activity posts, but just let me know if you have questions on that. But pretty much we're just going to click this button right here to start our screen recording. You're going to record your desktop only, and keep in mind you can't go over 5 minutes, which is fine. Your video really shouldn't be more than 1 to 3 minutes for showing me the things that you had to do for that unit. But pretty much you just click record, click on yes, entire screen, click share, and now it's pretty much recording your screen and your voice. So if you want to tell me anything while you're showing me the game, you can do that. And remember, you would then go to your game, hit the play button and show me all those different things that are required for you to do in that unit and that assignment. And again, I'll give you a list of those things in Empower and Google Classroom. Once you're done with that, you pretty much just hit stop sharing. And what it does is, you can definitely take this little tour if you want. But pretty much all we're going to do is hit get copy shareable link right here. And that link is what you then go into Empower, go to the matching unit, go to your My Locker, and you should see a spot down here to copy and paste a link in like a text box to turn into me. But let me know if you have any trouble doing that. And once you do that, I'll check your video out, make sure your game works, and I will give you credit for the assignment, okay? Keep up the good work, guys, and remember units 1 through 5, and each unit you have to go up to the 0.4. So 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, and then same thing for unit 3. And if you want to know when all these assignments are due, remember just to go to your Google Classroom calendar, and you can see tomorrow unit 1 and unit 2 create with code are due. If you scroll down the next pacing right here, unit 4 is due that day, and so on. So that's where I'm going to be putting all those assignments, and you can also see all these in detail if you scroll down under, open up this class, click on the playlist browser. This actually shows you all the different units we have. So if you want to click on this right here, you can actually see all these units. So these are the 5 units that you need to turn in for the rest of this year. We will have a couple other small assignments, but these are the main ones. And so when you want to turn in your Screencastify video recording of the game, you just go to the matching unit, go into, yours will look like this, go into My Locker, and you should be able to copy and paste that shareable link that you got from Screencastify. Good luck, guys. Keep up the good work.